include the following counties in Illinois: DeWitt, McLean, Tazewell, and Woodford.
What the shit?
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and short. Radar-indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. East Peoria, Morton, Washington, Creve Coeur, Metamora, Piercestown Hills, Marquette Heights, Peoria Heights, and Washington. This includes the following highways: mile markers 9 and 14, Interstate 74 between mile markers 94 and 100. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. At 12:52 p.m. between mile markers
My county.
At 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eureka, Washington, El Paso, Minot, Roanoke, Ridley, Brookfield, Deer Creek, Seymour, Converville, Benton, and Sonoma. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 11 and 28. Interstate 74 between mile markers 109 and 113. Between mile markers 11 and 28. Interstate 74 between mile markers 109 and 113. A severe thunderstorm warning remains. Tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The storm was located over Washington, 30 miles west of your moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gunfire and serves the following central Illinois counties:
Tornado warning.
DeWitt, McLean.
Oh shit!
Damage to roofs, windows. Thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Woodford County, including the following locations: Panola. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 18 and 22. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Uh-oh, what's this? Tornado warning for Livingston County! Here we go!
P.m. At 2:01 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near El Paso, or 17 miles east of Eureka, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and half-dollar-sized hail. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near, presently around 2:10 p.m. Flying again around 2:15 p.m. Pontiac around 2:40 p.m.
Oh, Pontiac.
Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 202. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service. Thunderstorm warning for western Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, eastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ottawa, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Seneca and Serena around 2:20 p.m. Sheridan around 2:30 p.m. Morris and Newark around 2:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorms include Millington and Lisbeth, including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 90 and 117. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room and a sturdy structure. The National Weather. At 2:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pontiac, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and half-dollar-sized hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Colorado around 3:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Solomon, Ellington, and Campus. including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 203 and 207. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near.
Shit.
County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Shorewood or near Channapon, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Joliet around 3:05 p.m. Elwood and Rockdale around 3:10 p.m. and Goodings Grove around 3:25 p.m. Homer Glen around 3:30 p.m. Orland Park and Frankfurt around 3:35 p.m. Tinley Park around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorms include Fairmont, Heston Heights, Crest Hill, Orland Hills, Crystal Lawn, and Frankfurt Square, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 245 and 255. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 147. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 5. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, debris. p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Manhattan around 4:05 p.m. Peatone around 4:20 p.m. Running around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm including the following interstate. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is NOAA Weather Radio, WXK 24 Odell. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will... issued a tornado warning for southern Ford County and east central Illinois, southwestern Iroquois County and east central Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:49 p.m. Gibson City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Paxton around 4:20 p.m. Buckley around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Loda and Elliott, including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 258 and 270. Take cover now. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The severe thunderstorm warning for... Ford County and east central Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County and east central Illinois, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Collin, 14 miles north of Bradford City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hershey around 4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Irwin, Cambly, Unionville, Buckingham, and Kenton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ford County and east central Illinois, southwestern Illinois, until 5:50 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Paxton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Paxton around 4:25 p.m. around 4:35 p.m. Kissimmee Park around 4:45 p.m. Claytonville around 4:50 p.m. Milford around 5:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorms include Melvin, Logan, Woodland, Elliott, Wellington, and Roberts, including the following interstates. Interstate 57 between mile markers 262 and 275. The main alert for possible tornadoes. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, WXK 24 Odell.